Come back. Last problem in this section, section 3.2. You are told, suppose f at 0 is -4, f prime x is less equals 7 for all values of x. Use the mean value theorem to determine how large f at 4 can be. Okay, they are talking about mean value theorem. So first thing, we have to assume that f is continuous and differentiable. Well, do we have to assume? Look, you're told there is derivative. Okay, so the problem states that f prime at x is less equals 7, and this happens for all x. You understand? That means derivative exists for all x. That means the derivative of f exists for all x. This means f is differentiable for all x. Now we saw in class that a function is differentiable, then it is continuous. All right. Now, so that is, therefore, our function is both continuous and differentiable. So we got all of this from merely this part. Okay, this tells me it is differentiable and every differentiable function is continuous. So this alone tells me it's both continuous and differentiable. So the mean value theorem can be used. Okay, mean value theorem can be used for any x, for any interval AB. Because why any interval? Because derivative is less than or equal to 7 for all x. For all x means for any interval this will become differentiable and continuous, so we can use it for any interval. In particular, I'll choose the following numbers. You see, we are starting with x equals 0 and we are ending with x equals 4. Okay, don't get confused with these numbers. These are not x values. These are x values, whatever is inside f. So why don't I look at, in particular, the interval 0 to 4. Okay, what does the mean value theorem says? Conclusion of the mean value theorem is there is a number c in open interval 0 to 4 such that the derivative at c is equal to the slope over this average slope over this interval, that is slope of the line segment joining the end points. What are the end points? Right? End points are, well, one is 0, f0, and the other is 4, f at 4. Okay, f at 0 we are being told is -4. F at 4 we want to estimate. Okay, so mean value theorem says there is a number c here such that the derivative is equal to the slope of the line joining these two guys. Slope of the line joining these two guys is the fraction y2 minus y1, f4 minus f0 over x2 minus x1, 4 minus 0. All right. So let me play with this a little bit. This tells me f prime at 0 is the fraction f4 minus f0 we are being told is -4. All right. And over 4 minus 0 is simply 4. Okay. So Let me continue. So this tells me, let me clear this 4 by multiplying it to the other side. 4 times f prime at c equals f4 plus 4. Okay, so continuing some more, I will subtract the 4. This gives me 4 f prime at c minus 4 equals f at 4. Okay, let me rewrite it with this guy on the left. So f at 4 equals 4 f prime c minus 4. Now we know that in our problem we are told every derivative is less than or equal to 7. So in particular this derivative is less equals 7. So this derivative is less equals 7. So 4 times this derivative is less equals 4 times 7. If I subtract 4, what do I get? 28 minus 4. Why did I subtract it? Because I had this expression. In other words, what is my conclusion here? F at 4 is less equals 28 minus 4, 24. That's your answer. All right. So my next videos will be about lesson section 3.3. So please keep an eye out for those lectures. Bye. And make sure you do all the problems from section 3.2 from your set and keep working on web work. Okay. Until then, bye.